What's up, guys? Delvin the Ranger back again for a special one-off video. This video has been requested to be made by some of the people in the SpicyCraft server. Basically, it is how to install the SpicyCraft Modpack, because it is kind of a difficult process if you're not entirely sure what you're doing. So, I'm going to be installing it onto the default launcher. Now, the pack itself is not public yet. It's not actually been released for public use. Well, it's been released for public testing, but not for public use, if you know what I mean. So basically, yeah, we're going to be installing it onto the default Minecraft launcher, as it's not currently on the Twitch launcher. So, first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up your Minecraft. Now, you're going to want to go to your installation section and create a new installation for Minecraft 1.14.4, right? So you want to create a 1.14.4 Minecraft instance here and create it. So there's your instance there. Now if you go back to play, you will want to select that 1.14 instance and you'll want to run it. You need to run the instance once in order to get it to download all of its required files, essentially. So I'm going to let this load up, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so now that Minecraft has loaded up, we can now proceed with the next step. We want to, first of all, we've loaded up Minecraft, we need to close it. Next step is we need to install Forge onto the copy of Minecraft that we've just did. So I have on my Google Chrome here, I already have the Forge site opened, and it's gonna have advertisements, annoyingly, but they need to make their money. So you want to go to the recommended version, which is this one here, and you want to get the installer for it. So I'm going to click on this, and you're going to get an advertisement for Forge itself. Yep. And you're just going to skip that. Once you click skip, the Forge jar file should download. So you want to go to that in your downloads folder, which is here, and it's this one here. The 1.14.28.2.0 installer. So if I just cut that and chuck that onto my desktop here. Okay, so we have our installer now. So we want to open the Forge 1.14 installer. Okay, here it is. So we need to install the client copy of the installer into our .minecraft folder here. Right. Because essentially it will be looking for the loader files from the launcher itself. So if we press OK on that, it will download the libraries and build the processors and all of that lot to actually allow Forge to run the mods in the game. There we go. It's already done it, in fact. Now, if I reopen my Minecraft launcher, you should see that, okay, hang on, I've got a corrupted file on my, no, that's a text file. I don't know what that is. Okay, I'm not sure. Anyway, so now if I go into here, yeah, oh right, okay. So it's just copied over my original Forge that I was using on this. I hope that hasn't messed up my, I hope that hasn't messed anything up actually, so I want to fix that really quick. But it should say Forge 1.14.4 28.20 Minecraft on the actual name of it. It shouldn't say SpicyCraft. that's just because I already had it loaded. Now, with that installed, you want to open your game. Okay, so once Minecraft has opened, after you've installed the Forge, you should see that there's a mods button, and you should have 2 mods loaded. So you should see the mods button here, and then down here you should see you have 2 mods loaded. Mine has got 80 because I forgot to delete the mod pack before before actually doing this. My mistake, but yeah, yours, that shouldn't cause any issues with me actually demonstrating this, but you should only have 2 mods installed, you shouldn't have 80. Now if I quit out of the game now, with that installed, that's Forge is now installed into there, and you should have the ability to add the mods to the game. The next thing you're going to want to do, at the moment, like I said, the pack is not available for public use. It's only available for testing at the moment on the server. We're testing it out on the server, seeing what mods we like and don't like, and maybe we'll add and remove some before we make a proper release on Twitch. So at the moment, we only have a download available in the Discord server. We're in the Discord server now, and we're in the information channel, as you can see here. Now, in the information channel is the link to the Mega website, where the pack is currently available. Now, if I click on this, it should open in my internet browser, in theory. Okay, so this is the website for Mega. And on here is the mods.rar file. This is the RAR file that contains the mods. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to... No, I need to right click on it actually. Pretty sure, yeah, and download. Do a standard download, and it should now download the file. Yeah, it's getting ready to download it. Now, I don't actually need to download it right now because I already have the pack itself downloaded. If I go back to my desktop, you can see it here. Now, it's a RAR file. You need a software that can handle RAR files in order to open it up. Unfortunately, that means you're either going to need WinRAR, WinZip, or 7-Zip. If you do not have any of these, and you are on Windows 10, you're in luck. When I got the pack, I already had a piece of software installed that could handle these files. This program is on the Windows. It's on the Windows Store. If I open up my Start menu here, yeah, you can see 7Z Opener. This is a free program you can get off the Windows Store, and as you can see, it's got the same logo as that one. So if I double click on this, 7-Zip Opener will open. Now, what I'm going to do is on my desktop here, I'm just going to right click and create a new folder called, I don't know, mods. Yeah, just mods. Right? I'm going to click into here, and there we go. Okay, we have a mods folder. Now, I've opened the actual file itself, so I don't get the main screen, I just get the program. Now if I go to save to folder, it's going to open up a selection system. I already had it actually unpacked directly into my mods folder, but I'm going to do this a little bit easier for the sake of convenience. This mods folder on my desktop, which is this folder here, I'm going to unpack all of the mods directly into that. So I'm going to wait for this to finish, and it looks like it's unpacking into a folder, which is good. Okay, so the pack has now finished unzipping, and you just click the success button and it'll show you all of the files there within the folder. Now if I'm just going to close out of this and open mods. And you can see there's a mods folder in here, which is what it's just unpacked. If I click into this, you can see we have 80 of these jar files. Now these jar files are the actual mods themselves. So here's what you're going to want to do. First of all, put that over there. You're going to want to go into your search button down on the taskbar here, and your searching system is going to open up. You're going to want to type %appdata % here, and that will be a file folder. So you're going to want to open that, and it's going to show you this one, which is your roaming folder. You want to go into .minecraft, and you should have in here a mods folder, which was created by Forge when you installed it. As you can see, Forge is already in here. So if I go into here, you can already see I already have the mods installed, because that was why I had 80 there. But essentially that is the pack itself. What you want to do, obviously I'm not going to do this because I already have them all. Right, so what you want to do is, you want to go to Home, and you want to go to Select All, and it will select all 80 of the items. Then what you want to do is you want to grab them and drag them over into your mods folder. Now I'm going to get errors because they are already all here, so I'm just going to skip everything because they've already been done. Right, so that is, once you have all of these files over here, that is the pack installed. You want to close the folder and your folder in your Minecraft, and then you can just delete your pack file because you don't need that anymore. And you can also delete the extra folders. So what you now want to do is, you want to open your Minecraft, and you want to hit play, and once the game loads up, in theory, it should all be working. So there we go, Minecraft is opened. You're going to get a small pop-up reminding you that Zyro's minimap needs to be updated. We need to update the pack to make sure we've got the latest version of this. You can do that yourself if you want by clicking yes, or you can just do what I do and click no, because we're gonna do that eventually anyway, so there's no point. But you should then have all 80 mods loaded, and you should be able to then hop either into single player, into a single player world to actually check it out yourself before you jump on the server, or you can just jump directly onto the SpicyCraft server and enjoy yourself. So I'm going to pop up onto the server now, say hi to everyone, and then I'm going to log off and yeah, log off and run through a couple of additional things that you need to know. So you can join the server, and we're all here, and yeah. And the pack is fully loaded and fully works, and I'm getting a little bit of lag. I think it's because they're trying to load up. Maybe, yeah. Seems like it because it's not lagging anymore. So yeah, so we're fully online now. And, oh, whoa, okay. Nice. Okay, it's been a while since I've been on, and apparently, from the looks of things... Ah! Yes, I forgot about this. Yeah, a couple of things have happened since I've been on recently. For example, someone has bought the entire area where my shop used to be and moved my shop in the process over here and upgraded the chest. So I now have all of my stuff in a diamond chest instead, which is fancy. Nice. Thank you to Shark for doing that for me, because he bought the land over here, so that means I kind of lost that. Okay, there's a pit there, didn't see that, could have died. But okay, so all of this land has been bought now, and it doesn't encroach on anything, which is good as well. Although this person's base has kind of been destroyed. I'm not sure whose base that was anyway. But yeah, so... okay. Right, so I'm going to head back to my base now as well, and I'm going to log off and enjoy... and I'm going to finish off the rest of the conversation. Where's my... oh. Oh, okay. I think Flo moved my tree farm up here. Yeah, he's moved the tree farm up here, so that way it's out the way. Which is definitely smart, because where it wasn't the best of places for it to be. Yeah. So I'm going to head back in here now, and Yeah. Okay. So, additional things that we need to know here. Additional things that should be made noteworthy about the pack. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.